Aw shit, you already know, motherfucker. I am bought this shit like a while ago. I'm waiting for this shit to come in. I'm like, yo, this shit came in quick, bro. 2 days, 3 days, I don't remember. That's fucking dope, man. This is dope as hell. I'm gonna see. We're gonna like test like. Fucking I'm recording in the wrong way. Hold on. Shit. Let me just. We in landscape mode, motherfucker. What you talking about, motherfucker? Yeah, what's good? Let's just open this shit up. I don't fucking know, motherfucker. Yeah, this is a lot harder than I expected. What the fuck? I'm gonna cut all this shit out anyway. Fuck it. Okay, so I guess you pull it from here. Damn. I got it. Figured it out. What are you talking about? Yeah, son. Stop playing me, son. I don't know why I'm dropping frames right now, but we're gonna test this shit out, son. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna record a little bit of the footage on this camera, and yeah, we'll see how it fucking goes or whatever the fuck. All right. Okay. We got it open. All right. We got the lenses. We got the shit right here, man. Oh shit. Wide angle. AF. Lens full HD 60 FPS. Okay. All right. What else we got here? Wait, what the fuck? Wait, you got a charges? Yeah, I'm confused as hell, bro. So you got a charges, bitch. That's interesting. And what is this? Is this like a cover for the lens? I'm assuming it is. I don't. You know, I'm not really damn, I can't even speak right now. I'm not a camera enthusiast. I wish I was. You know what I'm saying? You know. But alright, we're gonna figure this shit out. yeah, it's just a cover. Just cover that bitch. Alright. What else we got? Sound to be seen, be heard, streaming as well. Yeah, okay, alright, cool. That's fine. I guess y'all could just pause that shit. Kiyo Pro. The manual, huh? Manual. My man's gave me You know, I'll open it up later. Oh, no, I can do it. Never mind, forget it. Okay. Kiyo Pro. Razer Kiyo. Motherfucker. Alright. What the fuck we got here? Okay, interesting. I'm watching this through my camera lens. I'm just like, what the fuck? Can't really read. I'll read that shit later. It's all good. Don't even worry about that shit, boy. I guess that's it. Okay. Interesting. Well, I guess it's time to like see how this fucking works. Let me see. Let me just see the back of it. See the. Okay. Interesting. Huh. What is this for? How do I connect this? No. Ooh. Okay. We're gonna figure this out. All right. Hold on. Okay. So it just fits in this kind of area, in this way. So let's see. Yeah. Interesting. Hopefully I can set this up in a certain way where it's like, okay, you know, it's not dumb. All right. Cool. That's fine. Let's get on to it now.
Alright, motherfucker, we in this bitch right now. Alright, so this is what we're using right now is my fucking phone camera, Droidcam OBS. So far, the picture quality looks pretty fucking good, I would say, in my opinion. But it's 30 FPS. It can't really go up to 60. Like my phone specifically, I have a fucking LG V60 ThinQ, some bullshit like that. Alright, and I'll probably show it on like a picture of it or whatever the fuck. But yeah, like. I mean, it looks good, you know. I suggest probably you don't buy a fucking whole camera. Like, if you have a fucking phone and it's a good enough camera, just fucking use that. Use Droidcam and just connect it wirelessly. That's how I use it. And right now, normally it looks fucking pretty good. Like, you know, it looks fucking good. But yeah, like normally on my live streams, I use another camera that allows 60 FPS footage, but it's kind of choppy sometimes. But I was like, why not use this? Because I like the extra frames. But right now, this one specifically can't really go up to 60. It's fucking stupid. I know. Shut up. I don't know why. Okay, because this camera specifically can clearly hit up to 4K 60. Okay, let me just tell you that. 8K. Okay, great camera. Okay, but whatever. You know what? It is what it is. All right. So here's what it looks like right now, and we're gonna switch to something else. I just gotta fucking transition. Hey, you. Yes, you motherfucker. What you doing? Watch my video? I appreciate it. You know what you could do? You could like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, do it right now, motherfucker. I'm waiting. Alright, that's enough. Alright, so here we got it right now, motherfucker. Yeah. It looks good. Like clearly, like the fucking image is smooth now, cause like, you know, 60 FPS and shit. This is actual 60 FPS that we're looking at right now at this moment. If I enable HDR though, that's when it gets like a little weird. Like okay, so it lowers the FPS to like 30, and then, but I mean the image looks better, I think. I don't know. You guys want to see? I mean, I'll show y'all. Hold on, I got y'all. Also, I'm like recording this video with the fucking webcam like for the first time after I got it, like a week after, maybe 2 weeks after. I don't fucking know. I'm sorry. You know, I've been busy. I've been a busy motherfucking man. All right, motherfucker. All right. So yeah, let me just show that HDR functionality. So this is what it's supposed to look like. It's, I don't know how I feel about this. It's a little washed. The colors look a little washed out, but I guess that's HDR for you. I don't fucking know, man. That looks weird. That looks real weird. I don't know. For me personally, I wouldn't use HDR. I don't know. But yeah, as from what I can tell from this camera, like it looks a little grainy, man. Grainier than my Droidcam. I'm not sure. I can't really tell. It's weird. See, I have it right up right now. Does it look grainier or not? I think it does. I think it does look a little grainier than my Android cam. I don't know. That's fucking weird, man. I don't know, man. I don't know what that is. I don't know what the fuck that is. Apparently, it's called. I thought it was uncompressed video, man. Come on, man. Come on, cuz. But yeah, all right. Let me just close this shit out. All right, I'm gonna disable HDR on this fucking shit. Okay. I had it in bright room mode. If that makes any sense, I don't know. All right, so so I turned off autofocus and just have it at regular ass shit because it kept like it doesn't really focus all that well. Sometimes it just keeps. It can't really find me all that well. But yeah, let me see, man, because just look at myself real quick. I mean, it's just the grainy part that really pisses me off mostly, because I spent like 105 just for it to get here like on priority shipping. So I mean, like normally it's like costs like 200 bucks, but I guess like right now Razer's having a fucking sale for like 99. I don't know, whatever you feel like doing, man. I don't know. Like I'd say if you want to get into streaming and you don't have the money for like a 60 FPS webcam or just any webcam in general, motherfucker, just use your fucking Android phone, your iPhone phone, motherfucker. That motherfuckers be having the best cameras anyways. And if you can find a way to have 60 FPS on your phone camera, then it's like, all right, you're fucking set. You're fucking set. That's it, bro. You're fucking set, yo. But yeah, I don't know if this is worth it. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna have this fucking fucked up realization if I don't even know if it was worth it for me to buy that much. I might have to. I don't know. When I get fucking rich or whatever, I might get the Logitech. I'll see how that shit is, and then I'll be like, all right, so this is the fucking image and shit. But all right, so I'm gonna compare images now, image quality basically. All right, so here's the Razer Kiyo Pro, and here's my fucking phone camera, 30 FPS phone camera. Like I said, these are not bad cameras, man. Like I'm telling you, these are fucking pretty good cameras. And then here's this motherfucker. Yep. Boom. I don't know. I think this has better lighting. All right, how about let's try dark room. The dark. That looks fucking crazy, actually. Holy shit, what the fuck? This looks fucking insane. What the fuck is this? This is dope as hell. God damn, that's kind of cool, actually. That's kind of cool. That's kind of ominous. Oh shit. This would be low light situation. And let's look at this. Not bad, but not the best. I think this one under low light situation, this performs the best. I would say definitely. Now let's turn off this fucking light, motherfucker. This bitch ass light, motherfucker. Deactivate that bitch. And voila. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, motherfucker. I mean, you can kind of still see me low-key a little bit. Not that well, but... Well, let me go to the settings real quick and see if what I can do with this fucking shit. I'm still recording. I'm a dumbass. So, on the Razer Synapse, okay? The application you gotta download to fucking use this shit. This is my first time doing a review. I'm not really good with this, but yeah. Oh my god, that looks horrible. That looks terrible. What the fuck is this? There's a, basically, it's a fucking thing you could use to adjust the settings. These are my settings right now. I just copied the one. I copied the guy from that I was watching. You know, it was a Razer review. It was a review for this fucking webcam. And I was like, let me just copy the settings for this shit, cause let me see what happens. All right, so we can make it warmer if you want. It looks a little better. You know, not that bad, I would say. I'll just slide it to like whatever looks the best, I guess. Let me see. How about this? I don't know. I think I just suggest that you get like maybe a fucking... I think you should just get a flashlight. And the one I was using right now, my phone flashlight looked pretty good. I was like, wow, that improved the quality a little bit actually. Let me see this shit. I got you, baby girl. And voila. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that shit. It looks pretty good. It looks kind of cool though. Like honestly, I kind of like this. It's kind of ominous. You can see my shadow in the fucking background. It's like, it's kind of scary. You know, if you want to fucking read some horror stories and shit, hell yeah. You should look at sexy, bro. You know, you could direct the lighting to whichever side of the room you want. It's kind of cool actually. I didn't really think about it like this, but yeah. You can play around with whatever you got, whatever you feel like looks the best. I don't know, motherfucker. Let me see. Let me just let me just see this real quick. Hold on. Let me see this. Let me just test this out. See, that doesn't look bad either. I don't think that looks bad. If you have a good enough, if your fucking camera has a good enough flashlight, then it can look pretty alright. It's pretty good, you know. But yeah, that's not bad at all, dude. Like literally. But yeah, I don't know. To each his own at this point. Hopefully I fucking helped you a little bit. Let me just turn on the lights real quick. Oh my god, that's really warm. Let me just turn the fucking settings down. Hold on. Put that shit in. Let me see. Can it look good if I just put it on auto? Let me put this on auto right now. Put that bitch on auto, motherfucker. Yeah. And then that's the wrong shit. Bam. Okay. You know what? It's all right. For 99 bucks, you know what? Gets the job done. It gets it done. I think it gets it fucking done pretty much. If you're on a budget and you're looking for a 60 FPS camera, if you're not able to do it on a Droid, on an Android or whatever, on a fucking iPhone, if you're not able to do it on these applications, and you know what? I can understand why you would buy this because it looks very smooth. It's very smooth. Very smooth. Yes. But when it can't really focus that well, it's kind of annoying. It's like, and then you have to slide it a little bit so you can get a really good focusing image. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's just, you know, I don't like how grainy it is, and the focusing is not that great as well. But it's still a pretty good image, I think, and the 60 FPS also really helps it. But I do not think this is worth it if it costs 200 bucks. You might as well get something else at this point, because the fuck is 200 bucks gonna... Well, what the fuck is that? 99 bucks? Okay, I can understand. But, you know what? Do what you will with this information. Hopefully I helped you. And yeah. Let me just turn off the light real quick. Hold on. Okay, see? That look good. That looks pretty good, I think. I'm just changing colors. I'm changing colors all the fucking time. It's really weird, but... Let me just go to a different... That looks green. That looks what it looks like. Let me just put in the color black. How about that? I'll type in the color black and see what it looks like. I don't know if that helped. I don't know if you can see the image, but I have black on screen right now. It's fucking weird. Hopefully it looks good to you. I don't know. But let me turn off the fucking... Let me fully turn off the fucking flashlight in front of me. Let me see how that works. See how that fucking looks like. Okay. That's what that looks like. This is what it looks like fully dark. Just fully, pretty much kind of pitch black just to monitor. How about no monitor? Oh, that's interesting. Okay. This is not fully pitch black because there's a little bit of light coming from the screen, but like this is as close as it gets right now. Alright, turn that back on. I don't know. I'm just testing shit out right now. I'm just being a fucking dumbass. But yeah, I'm liking this. I'm fully like getting kind of used to it. But I think under good lighting situations, this camera looks pretty fucking good. I would say, yeah, sure. Fuck it. But yeah, I don't know. I'm not, as you can tell, I'm not really good at reviews. So, you know, this is my first time doing this shit. I'm just, you know, whatever. I'm just winging it at this point. I don't know, motherfucker. Hit that subscribe button, like the video, turn on the notification bell, and check out my live streams. You know, I'll be live streaming here and there, motherfucker. And oh, motherfucker, I almost forgot. I got a Discord. I got an Instagram. I mean, I got a Twitch too, but I don't really use it that well. I'll address that in a future video. I don't know, maybe I'll address it like when you guys ask me on my live streams or some bullshit like that. All right, so join the Discord server. But yeah, going forward, I'm definitely gonna just be using this fucking camera this whole time. Like straight up, this is gonna be the default camera for now. If I do get a better camera, then you know, sure, why the fuck not? But yeah, this is my default camera. Yeah, see you guys later. Peace, motherfucker.